So guys, if you have a lot of pigmentation, acne scars, acne marks, or if you just have a very uneven skin tone and if you want to deal with it, well, this video is all for you. Today I'll not be sharing any DIYs or any elaborate home remedies. Today we'll be just sharing a very simple two-step process. Yes guys, a two-step process, and I'll be using some very high quality doctor recommended brands to help you get clearer, brighter and healthier looking skin. So if you want to know what this super easy two-step remedy is, just keep watching this video guys to find out. So guys, before starting with the process, prep up your skin by removing all that makeup. I recommend using an oil-based makeup remover to remove all oil-based impurities, including not just makeup but also sunscreen and sebum production. For people with dry skin, you can also switch to olive oil instead of a makeup remover. Now the first step is obviously cleaning your skin really well, and I highly recommend using a foaming cleanser which also contains chemical exfoliants. Now a lot of you are probably already aware of chemical exfoliants because they are recommended by a lot of doctors these days and they are very good for your skin. But in case you've never heard of them before, let me just quickly tell you. Now the word chemical exfoliant sounds a bit scary because of the word chemical in it. But technically, anything which is studied in chemistry, even water is a chemical, right? So it's not that all chemicals are bad for you. Like we use water all the time, right? That's completely safe. So it depends on what is right for your skin, what is not right for your skin. Now chemical exfoliants actually work really well, much better than your regular exfoliators like scrubs and all, because they're not harsh on your skin. So here I'm using the Dermaco foaming cleanser, which contains both AHA and BHA components for complete exfoliation. It contains mandelic acid, glycolic acid and salicylic acid, and it is actually designed by dermatologists. So just take a little bit, massage it for about 15 to 20 seconds for gentle cleansing, and then of course wash it all off with water. Now ideally this is something that should be done twice a day, but for people like me who have extremely dry skin, just telling out of my own experience, I have seen that doing this just once a day works way better for my really dry skin. So of course a lot depends on your skin type as well. I'll talk about this more in detail later when I do another video on my dry skincare routine, but for now, I know I'm just repeating myself here, but remember in the previous step when we were talking about makeup removal, if you use olive oil and then do this routine right after using olive oil, it works exceptionally well for those with dry skin. For those with oily skin, you can totally use this twice a day. For the second step, which is also our last and final step, we'll be using a cream. For this, I highly recommend using a cream which contains kojic acid. Now, if you've ever been to a dermatologist for brown spots, pigmentations or uneven skin tone, chances are that a doctor has already recommended a kojic acid based product for you. Some time back, kojic acid soaps were a big deal in the market because it is really that effective. However, let me clarify one more time. Just because the word used here is acid, it can be a little scary, but guys, acid can be a lot of things, including vitamin C. Now, we do eat mangoes, oranges, which contains a lot of vitamin C. We eat amla, and then we also apply amla powder. We apply orange peel powder on our skin. So in the end, it's all about composition and what is actually suitable for skin, what is not suitable for skin. So we just have to be really careful with things like that, right? So here I'm using the kojic acid cream, which is specifically designed for pigmentation. Yes guys, specifically designed for pigmentation. This one is once again from the brand the Dermaco. So just take a little bit of the cream, apply it all over your face and neck like any regular cream, and that's it. That's all you have to do to help in removing discoloration. Using this product, what it actually does is that it helps in reducing the melanin production in your skin, the excess melanin production, which is causing all the pigmentation and all of that. It starts to fade away, giving you a much clearer, much more even skin texture with time. Now talking about the with time part of it, guys, honestly doctors never recommend anything too drastic for the skin, right? When you have a skin problem, they want you to deal with it in a proper stepwise manner instead of just jumping into something which will give you instant results, but in the long term it's not good for you. So you have to follow this routine. It's a very simple routine, just cleansing the skin and using a cream, right? You have to follow this routine every single day, and in about 3 to 4 weeks, of course, depending on how bad the condition is, how severe the condition is rather, you will start seeing a difference. Also, I highly recommend that during this time, do not use any DIYs or any natural products on your skin, because see, medical products work very differently. They're not like your regular cosmetic products, they're not like your regular skincare products. Medical products work very differently on the skin, so it's best to kind of just follow the steps, follow the routines exactly exactly as a doctor suggests and not try anything else apart from that, not try anything new with it. And like you just saw guys, both the products I'm using today are from the brand The Derma Co, because the products are designed by dermatologists. And if I'm being really honest here guys, yes, I have to agree that the products are not jazzy, fancy like your regular cosmetic brands. It's not heavily perfumed, it doesn't have that fragrance and all of those things. It's actually a very simple, a very plain product, very medical looking product. But then again, I also have to say that I think that part is kind of reassuring, especially when you're dealing with skin concerns and skin problems, right? When you're having skin problems, you probably want to use something which is plain and sensible and recommended by doctors and which feels safe on the skin. So if you follow a very similar philosophy for your skincare routine, I think this is really good. And since I'm talking so much about dermatologists, let me quickly also mention that when you go to this particular website, before you place your order, they will actually ask you a few questions. These are some very simple questions, but answer them very carefully. This is so important, guys. Answer the questions really carefully, and when you're posting your picture, make sure that you're posting a picture which shows your skin condition really well. So nothing that is in a extremely bright light, nothing while wearing makeup, just a very simple plain picture that shows your skin problems. Basis this, they will recommend you products which is suitable for your skin type. So this is not your regular run of the mill brands, like a typical product which is sold to everybody at large, which may or may not work for you. These are actually designed by dermatologists, recommended by dermatologists, depending on your skin type, and it barely takes a few minutes, guys. It's actually very simple. So what I'll do is I'll put the link, the discount code in the description box below if you want to check out these products, because if you have pigmentation, these are the kind of components you actually want to use for your skin. And talking about all of these things, guys, I also quickly want to mention that, see, these products are very safe. Like the chemical exfoliator that I used today, the foaming face wash that I used, the kojic acid cream that I used. So the composition is very mild. Even if you have never used these before, this should be safe for your skin. However, if you have open wounds, open scars, if you have sensitive skin, or if you have active acne which is just developing, and with the pus formation, if something has broken out, things like that, you just want to wait for those things to heal before you start using them. Just as a precautionary measure, this is what I would definitely recommend. So guys, that's all I want to share in today's video. It's a very simple two-step routine. Even if you're somebody who's too lazy for a detailed skincare routine and home remedies and things like that, this is something which will work really well for you. And yes, once you have tried this out, guys, please come back, share your comments in the comment section below, because I really believe in this routine because of the components and the things that I've used. But I really want you to try it out and tell me for yourself how it has worked. Before you start this routine, what I would recommend you to do is to take a couple of pictures of your face, of your skin, and how it is actually looking. And then after 3 to 4 weeks, maybe just after trying it out, just take an after picture and compare your skin. Make sure you take both the pictures in a similar light setting, guys. By the way, it's very important. Otherwise, the skin will look very different. So when you do a before after comparison shot, that is when you'll probably be able to tell the difference the best, and it will be absolutely amazing for you, because I know it for a fact. I genuinely believe in this thing. So yes guys, that's all I want to share in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Supervoice Style for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.